Excited for this. This dude always comes through. Evil R. A lot of his parts on my car. Let me get in the light over here. Might have to post this and get my Instagram going. What do I have here? I was looking forward to getting this because my well, you'll see what it is right now. It's kind of overdue on this. I've been eyeballing this for like 2 years now. I didn't even know it came with that. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna have to remove this. I didn't even know it came with the boot. I got my sequential coming, so I think the opening is really wide on that. But yeah, mine's kind of old and beat up. I wasn't gonna replace it. I don't know if you can see in here, but much better. Let me get a light. There's my phone. Yeah, much better. I almost felt like it was too much carbon. I did it all one piece, but I don't know. Looks much better though, much better. Glad I got that. This next thing I'm really excited about. I've been eyeballing these for probably 2-3 years now. I want to lose that. Tell me what you guys think. On the right side. And look at that. Titanium. Man, I like that. Then I got my daughters sneezing in the background. Man, look at that. Up. Look at the other side. That's clean, man. Yeah, they came out really good. I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram people. Anyways, yeah, it looks clean. Look at it. Yeah, these things look beat up. They're much bigger. Actually, way bigger. Look at the size difference. Yeah, let me see. I mean, yeah. Got my daughter moving the car, but yeah, it's real life. There we go. Damn, I like it. Yeah. I'm actually really happy with these. These APRs are good, but just the clear coat came off, started peeling over time, and they serve me justice. I mean, I use them. But out with the old, in with the new, man. I like that, man. There we go. Happy with that. Evil R, thank you. I'm gonna have to remove all this. Yeah, I'm a little lazy, but I gotta do it. So I got something to do on the weekend. Where did my rotor go? There we go. Let me see. Oh, that thing's in the way. Ah.